Hey guys, welcome to DLM Model Lifestyle. I'm Daniel and this is the first video from our new fitness series called Male Body Transformation from Fat to Fit. So we're gonna make a couple of videos to help you lose weight in 12 weeks. So if you want to transform your body and get back into shape, we want you to join us today. And to make this more effective, I got somebody that can do this with you. Someone that you can identify with. His name is Hernu and he's my brother.
Hi guys!
So, we're gonna share with you his workouts, his diets,
struggles,
and triumphs as well, of course. Yeah, because we know sometimes life can just be hectic and it's hard to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But I'm also very busy and you're also very busy, right?
Yeah, no, I've got 5 wives, 5 kids. No, just kidding. 1 wife, 5 kids though. 2 of them is twins.
Alright, so why did you decide to do this body transformation?
Well, honestly, I'm fat. Well, well, honestly, I think there's a couple of reasons. First thing I think is doing it for my wife, you know, giving a little something to look at, you know. Second thing I think is for the kids. I mean, running around with them on the sports fields and so on, not feeling awkward, uncomfortable doing it. Third thing is energy, I think, just having more energy. I think we all can remember, I mean, having that unlimited almost energy when you were younger. And these days, I mean, you just feel drained. So, and that affects performance at the office, and of course that in turn affects what you're doing at home. And of course, I'm not even talking about after work, just getting home and playing with the kids and so on, just having energy for that. So, yeah. Yeah,
I think there's a lot of people that can identify with you on this. But hey, to make this challenge even more interesting, take it to another level, we are going to enter Hernu into a competition that's held by USN. The competition is called the USN Body Makeover Challenge. Now, there's a couple of rules that you have to follow, so would you share the rules with them?
Yeah, there's not too many of them. I think the 3 major ones are, well, first off, it's a 12-week thing, so from start to finish, only have the 12 weeks to do it. Then of course, second thing is you need to take photos beforehand, before-after photos. The ones beforehand you need to take with a newspaper, which kind of displays the date there and so on, just for that proof. And the third one is to them specific, and they don't really want you to use supplements and so on from other companies, so they only want you to use supplements of the USN brand. That's the major things, yeah.
Okay, so just so you know, this is not a sponsored video from USN. I like Muscle Tech, for example. We're gonna add a few other options for you in the video description that you can check out as well. Alright, now this first video is all about preparing you for this 12-week transformation period. So Hernu, let's share with them how we prepared you for this so that they can get ready for it as well. Now there's 5 things that you need to look at, right?
Yeah. The most important one there for me is time management. You know, bane of everyone's existence. How do you get to time? How do you fit it in? So time management, which for me is a big one, yeah.
Yeah. Then you need to look at nutrition. You need to look at the supplements, the exercises, and tracking the progress. That's very, very important. Now, let's talk about time management first, right? So you need to look at your schedule to kind of see what time of day would be the best for you to go and work out. Hernu, we discussed also a little bit of the time management things, but what time is the best for you to go and work out?
Yeah, so I think the first one is early in the morning, before breakfast. Really get in there and start exercising so that you can really get the metabolism going and so on. But that's for me. If you guys can't make early morning before work, if you start like very early at 3 o'clock in the morning, then well, fit it in, that works for you, yeah.
Okay, and you also need to plan how many days you'll be able to exercise and for how long. So how many days a week do you plan to exercise and for how long?
Yeah, so we're planning to do 6 days at least. Not going to skip on there. We need 1 day to rest as well.
Yeah.
So 6 days, and each day plan for around 1.5 to 2 hours. So really get in there and well, try to win this thing.
Yeah. Alright, so let's talk about the exercises, the workout routine. So what did we do to prepare for that?
Well, I joined the gym. But you guys don't have to. You can follow along with what we're doing at home. Do the exercises from there.
Yeah, you guys can check out some of the videos. I have some home workouts for you as well. I'll link it for you in the video description. Sorry, I interrupted you.
Yeah. No, I actually watched some of the videos, then try to do the advanced ones first. If you're at my level. Alright. We also created the workout routine, which you can follow, like we said. We'll also keep on updating this routine and so on, keep it current as we progress.
Yeah.
And and the other thing is, of course, that we did for preparing for gym and so on is some gym workout gear.
Yeah, we've got a bag just so you can get all your stuff in the bag, gym towel because you will be sweating a lot, water bottle, you know, just so you keep hydrated. What else? Oh, music. Get a nice playlist going just so you put it in and you're just focused at working out. And then
gym clothes, yeah. So I still got some gym clothes in my closet that doesn't fit, so I'm just gonna wear for the first couple of weeks whatever I can find and fit and so on, and after that I'll probably get some proper clothes and so on. Yeah.
Okay. Also some gloves, you know, if you guys want to. For me, I like it because it supports my wrists and it also helps me not to get any blisters, so you can look into that. So the nutrition part, getting ready for the nutrition, what we kind of did is we got the kitchen full of healthy food because eating healthy is a lot more important than exercise, right, Hernu?
Yeah, well, like they say, get fit in the gym, but you lose weight in the kitchen, so yeah.
That's true. Just remember that we will be focusing on hardcore weight loss. So we're gonna do Hernu's nutrition plan a little bit different, but we'll add everything for you in the video description down below. Now, if you have no clue of really what to eat, what is healthy, I have made the video about male model diet plan. It just gives you a basic guide of what is healthy, what you can eat, what not to eat. So have a look at it. You can watch it after this video and I'll add it for you in the video description. Now, let's move on. Alright, supplements. Now you don't need to use supplements, but we are going to, Hernu is going to use it for the competition as well because it will just give him that advantage, because if you use the right kind of supplements, it will just really boost you with losing weight and just gaining that muscle.
Yeah, so I already got all my supplements ready. For the challenge I can only use USN products, but you guys can use your favorite brand, yeah. Yeah,
I'll also add my favorites for you in the video description that really works, so you can check those out. Now, let's move on. Alright, so tracking the progress. It's very, very important to track your progress, and we're gonna do the same, especially for the competition. We're gonna do a little bit differently. How are we gonna track the progress for the competition?
Yeah, so what we need to do is every first day of the week, we need to do weights. We need to do measurements, and we need to take body fat percentage.
And photos, right?
And some photos, yeah.
Photos. You guys can do it at home as well. The before photos and the after photos is so interesting to see how you've changed over this whole period of time. So do that at home. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right guys, are you ready? Well, get ready, because with the next video, we're gonna kick off this whole body transformation, and we're gonna share with you Hernu's workout routine and diet plan. So, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Are you ready? All right.
Be the giant. Be the giant.
Rules of the competition. Okay, so I gaan naar de eerste keer
I don't know.
People will be preparing you for this 12-week transformation. All right. All right. Huh?
Bloopers.
Gaan we bloopers in.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Cut.